last video, we discussed some examples on the concept of propositional logic. In this video, we will discuss propositional equivalence. Before that, we should know that what is tautology and contradiction. Some propositions are very interesting because their truth value in the truth table is same for all the inputs. If a compound proposition is always true for all possible truth values of the proposition, then that proposition is known as a tautology. Similarly, if a compound proposition is always false for all possible truth values of the propositions, then it is called a contradiction. And a proposition that is neither a tautology nor a contradiction is known as contingency. Like we have a P or negation P that is always a true. So it is a tautology because for any truth value of P that is true or false, it will be always true. So it is a tautology. Similarly, if we say P and negation P, it will be a contradiction because for both of the truth values true and false, this expression will be always false. So we can say it is a contradiction. Now, example, we have to show that this statement is a contradiction. We have two variables P and Q. So total 4 possible combinations are there. First, we will calculate P or Q, which is true, 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 false. Next, we will calculate negation P, which is false, false, true, true. Negation Q, false, true, false, true. Then negation P and negation Q, it will be false, 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 true. Next, we have to AND P or Q and negation P and negation Q. So we will AND this, that is 1 and 2. So we will get the complete expression. We are writing EXP. So after ANDing, we will get F, F, F and F. So all the truth values for all possible inputs is false. So we can say that this expression or statement is a contradiction. Next, logical equivalence. Two propositions P and Q are logically equivalent if their truth tables are same. Also, P and Q will be logically equivalent if P biconditional Q is a tautology. So if P and Q are equivalent, then we can write it as P equivalent to Q. So this is the symbol for equivalence. Like we have example, we have two propositions P implies Q and Q or negation P. So first we will construct the truth table for it. We have two variables P and Q, total 4 combinations. P implies Q, that is our first expression. So it is true, false, true, true. Similarly, for calculating Q or negation P, we have to calculate negation P first. It is false, false, true, true. Now we will OR Q and negation P. So that will be equal to true, false, true, true. So if we see first expression and second expression, their truth values are same for same inputs. Well, so we can say that these two compound propositions are equivalent. Also, if we calculate biconditional of these two expression, then what we will get? It is true, again true, 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 which is a tautology. So we can say that these two expressions or statements are logically equivalent. These are some laws which we can use. You can also prove these laws by constructing truth table or by using other laws. So these laws are, first is identity law, then domination law, idempotent law, double negation law, commutative, associative, distributive law, De Morgan, absorption, negation. So these are some laws which we can use. Now prove that these two expressions are logically equivalent. We will prove this using these laws. We can also prove it by using truth table concept, which we have already discussed. Now we will prove it using different laws. First is, we have left side expression, that is negation of P or negation P and Q. So we will apply De Morgan's law. When applying De Morgan's law, we will get negation of P and or will be converted to and negation of this expression. Again we will apply De Morgan's law in this expression. We will get negation P and negation of negation P, which will be P itself and will be changed to or, so it will be or and negation of Q. Then we will apply distributive law, which will be negation P and P or with negation P and negation Q. We know that negation P and P is a contradiction, so it is false always, and this expression is negation P and negation Q. When you will or false with negation P and negation Q, you will get the same expression, that is negation P and negation Q, because when we or any proposition with false, then we will always get that proposition. So it is equal to our right answer. So we have proved that these two expressions are logically equivalent using different laws. Now in this example, we have to prove that this is contradiction. So first, applying De Morgan's law, we will get negation of P or will be converted to and negation of negation P and Q. So when you apply double negation, it will be expression itself, that is P and Q. Then you will apply associative, which will be negation P and with Q. When negation P and P are and, then we will get false and with Q. Applying commutative law, we will get Q and with F. When you will and Q with F, you will always get F, that is false. So we have proved that this expression is a contradiction. So hope the concept of logical equivalence is clear to you. In the next video, we will discuss about normal forms. Thank you.